QCM machinery was established in 1970. We have focused on the production of woodworking machinery with more than 50 years now. We are one of top 3 manufacturers in woodworking machinery field in China. Our factory is located in Chengdu City, Sichuan Province. As you know, Chengdu City is the hometown of Panda. See, this is Panda, very cute. Say hello to everybody. And also, Chengdu City is famous for spicy food. If you guys come to visit our factory, we will take you to look Panda and taste spicy food. Okay? Today, we will take you guys to visit our factory and to see our hot sanding machines. The place we are standing now is our CNC machining workshop. As you see, we have so many advanced CNC machining centers. Okay, firstly, let me show you our casting iron machine body. Yeah, have a look here. Those casting iron machine body were made by ourselves in our own casting iron workshop. But it's a pity today we are not going to see our casting iron workshop because it's 15 minutes far from here. We are very proud of our casting workshop. We are the only manufacturer who has own casting iron workshop. As you know, if the machine was made from casting iron, it will be very stable, very durable, and it won't deform even you use it 10 years later. But if you buy the cheap machine which made from steel, maybe 2 or 3 years later, the machine will deform. So be careful. You must see very carefully about the machine body, what material it is. Okay, now let's go to see our machining center one by one. Okay, follow me. You can follow our shop in Alibaba, follow us and chat with our customer service. Okay, see, in front of us, this is the Okuma 5-side gantry machining center horizontally. As you can see here, this machine can change the tool automatically. This machine has more than 50 groups of the tool stars. It can change very fast and very efficiently. Have a look here. Very advanced machining center. This brand is from Japan, top brand in machining center. The 5-side gantry machining center is mainly for processing the big size machine body. Have a look here. This machine is very expensive. Each machine may cost around 10 million in RMB. We have totally four sites. The total investment for the 5-side gantry machining center is around 40 million in RMB. Small factory won't buy it, too expensive, a big investment. Okay, let's go to next one. Okay, follow me. Here you can see this is the first one. Over there, the second, the third, and the fourth. Totally, we have 4 sides of 5-side gantry machining center in horizontal. This is the second one. See, it's working on the machine body. most of our CNC machining center were imported from Japan directly. You know, Japan is the leading country for the advanced machining centers. Okay, Harry, let's go next. Okay. Oh. And this is the third one. We have a short look, then we continue, okay? Yeah, it's also working on the machine body. Very advanced. Okay, let's continue. This is the fourth machining center, Okuma, horizontal machining center. It's also working on the machine body, you see? Yeah, be careful. After each machining for the machine body, our workers will inspect the precision very carefully because the machine body will decide the performance of the machine. So must be very careful to check if the processing quality is okay or not. Okay, let's continue. Here, this is OKK machining center. This one is mainly for processing small and medium-sized machine parts. OKK, also from Japan, the top brand in machining center. Okay, next. In front of us, this big machine is very big with 8 working stations. See the brand over here, Makino. Makino is also from Japan. It's the most advanced machining center brand. It has total 8 working stations, so it can increase a lot for the productivity and the efficiency. Very advanced machine. And over there, we have another one, the same brand, Makino, but this one is smaller. It has only 2 working stations. And this is also AKK, horizontal machining center, the same as before. Okay, these two are very, very important. I must introduce with full details to you. You know, these two are the most expensive one in our factory. We import from Japan also. The brand is FMS Mazak, Flexible Machining Center. See the brand, Mazak. Why we call it a flexible production line? Because any quantity, any shape, any time, any shape of the machine parts you need, any time you can process it. For example, if today you need 1 or 2 pieces of machine parts, no problem. You can put and let it to process. It won't affect other working. Let me see if we can see the carrier here. The carrier is not working now. Over there, can you see the brand Mazak? Oh yeah, it's working now. Yeah, this carrier, like a robot, it can load the machine parts, what you want to process. And after the machine parts are finished, it will unload it and carry out. It's very convenient, like a robot. Those production line can work 24 hours without unmanned processing. So very high efficiency. The two production lines have total 70 working stations. You see here, this carrier is also working without unmanned processing. And those two production lines have more than hundreds of tool stores. Any shape of the machine parts you need, it can process very conveniently, and it can change the tools also very fast. Yeah, we can stand here and have a look how the carrier is working. Mazak. Yeah, here. Okay, let's continue. These two machining center cost us around 20 million in RMB. Very, very expensive. This, I think, is the most advanced machining center now, you know. Have a look over there. Yeah, it's. I think it's unloading the finished machine parts. We can have a look here. The machine parts are finished and the carrier will unload and carry out it. You see so many different tools. You know, nowadays, the most headache problem for every woodworking machinery factory is the labor cost. The labor cost is increasing every year. So you must invest the most advanced machining center. Then you can save the labor cost and you can have a good productivity. Yeah, have a look over there. So many advanced CNC machining centers. Here, this room, we process the spindles. As you know, spindles are very important for the machine. Just like a car, you know, the most important part for a car is the motor. For a machine, the most important part is spindle. Let's see how our spindle are processed. Here you see, these are two grinding machines. The brand, let's see the brand here. Okamoto. This also import from Japan directly. It's in grinding machine. This brand is the top one. Let's have a look here. This machine is processing the spindle. Let's have a look here. You know, the spindle quality will affect directly for the performance of the machine. If you want to get a good precision, then the machine must have a high quality spindle. And when we process the spindles, we must make sure the temperature is very stable. So have a look over there. The temperature Now it's around 15 degrees. Normally we keep it from 15 to 20 degrees. If the temperature is not stable, it will affect the spindle quality. Okay, let's have a look for the finished spindles here. Here you can see for each spindle, we'll mark the model number and also the manufacturer time. Then after we put it in the machine, we can track which spindle in which machine. It's our quality system. Over here, have a look. Those are a vertical machining center, mostly for processing the small machining parts. Let's see this one first. See, the brand is Morisiki. This one is a very big vertical machining center, also imported from Japan. High efficiency, high automation. Over there, most of them are Mazak. If you don't know Mazak, you can check from Google. Mazak is the best brand in Japan for a produce the machining centers. We have totally in our factory, we have more than 300 sites of advanced machining centers, including the horizontal and also the vertical. So many advanced machining centers can ensure our productivity, can ensure the delivery time. You know, if the small factories, they can't afford those kind of machining center and they can't have a good productivity, then they can't ensure the delivery time. Yeah, Harry, you can go to there and have a overlook for the production line for our customers.我们等一下从这个门流哈。You know, our factory is really, really very big. Some of our competitors, maybe their whole factory is only the same size as our workshop here. One workshop here is around it's around 20,000 square meters. Only one. So the total covering area is around 30 million square meters in our factory totally. Okay, we finished the visiting of our CNC machining centers here. Let's move to our another workshop where our workers assemble our machines. Yeah, over here you see we have so many orders. Those lines, we are working on the single chip rib saw. Yeah, have a look here. Our production is very, very full since last year December. Okay, let's go inside and have more look here. You know, for machinery industry, even if your machine parts are in good quality, it does not mean the quality of your machine is good. Why? Because the assembly is also very, very important. Here, in this workshop, our workers here are all with rich experience. Most of them have more than 5 years experience in woodworking machinery. Such kind of experienced workers, they can assemble good machine. Then the machine quality can be assured. Have a look here. Those are the line assembly line for four-set motor. This year we have a lot of orders for four-set motor. And over here, over here, Harry, here is the rip saw, top and bottom rip saw. And over there, also four-set motor. Okay, let's continue. You know, for the assemble, we have very strict procedure. Everyone must follow the procedure. For example, if you didn't finish the first step, you can't just jump to next step. It will break the rules. Yeah, over here, we can have a look here. Those are all the rules for assemble workers. And here, I wanted to show you our certificate of the approval. Yeah, can you see it clearly? Here. This is the certificate of approval with stamp. We can look at another side here. Sorry, it's in Chinese, but let me explain to you. This is the procedure for assemble. For example, the first is machining, assemble, motor, the whole line, and test running. Here is the person who shall be responsible for the procedure. And here is management. So each step, there is the operator and also the management. After all the procedures finished, they will make the test running for the whole machine. Once the machine passes the whole procedure, then it will be stamped. Then the machine can be delivered. Otherwise, if the machine without this certificate, the machine can't even go out from our factory. So don't worry about our machine quality. Okay, let's continue. Those are the machine body for four-set motor, you see. And here are four-set motor also. This one is very big one with 7 spindles. Later, we will introduce you with details. And here also four-set motor, see? Here, yeah, this one. Also four-set motor. Machine body, you see? So many orders for the four-set motor machine. Okay, over here, hurry. Yeah. Here, these are also four-set motor. Half finished. Very beautiful. This is our new design, the outlooking. More beautiful than the old design. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, over here you see, this is the automatic production line we make for our customers. We are making the test running. If it passed the test running, we will deliver it. And over here, this is the casting iron machine body for the big size four-set motor. The model number is 633. The working width is 330 millimeters. Okay, let's continue. As you see, we also produce the automatic feeder, the feeding in and the feeding out system.